Hello everyone, this is Harsha. Welcome to my channel Crypto English. So hi guys, in today's video we'll talk about a platform in which I'll show you how you can participate in community rounds without holding any project tokens and how you can flip $20 to $30 into $500 to $700 with live demo. So in this video I'm going to cover you how you can participate in Redkite and GameFi's projects community round. So in which you need not hold any tokens, but you will be getting a chance to win small amount of allocation in upcoming big projects at the discounted price. So everything will be covered in this video. Watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, if you are here for the first time, subscribe to this channel. If you like the video, click the like button. If you have any doubts or clarification, leave them in the comment section below. And this video like target is 300 likes, so definitely click the like button right away. So let's begin the video, guys. So first thing, in my channel I made couple of videos in which I mentioned about community sales. So in this video I'll show you live demo how you can participate in this community round. So before starting the video, you need couple of things to keep ready to start participating in this. So first thing is you need to have a MetaMask or any mobile wallet or any Web20 wallet installed in your system. Then second thing, you need around 20 to 30 BUSD and some amount of BNB in your wallet for spending the gas fees. And third thing, you need to have Telegram and Twitter handles so that you can submit this whitelisting forms. So now once everything is ready, let's begin the video. So I'll show you how you can start the process. So first thing is you need to go to Redkite and GameFi and create your account. So to create that, you just need to go to this link. So this link will be in the description below. Just on the right side top, you can see the connect wallet button. Just click on the connect wallet. Then you'll get this pop-up. You just accept the terms, select BSC, select MetaMask. And once you do that, you'll get a MetaMask pop-up. Once you click on confirm, your wallet will be connected here. So now then you can go to my account section, and under my account section you can see your wallet and you can see your KYC status. So once you select it in any IDO, you can complete your KYC process. Once you do the KYC process in GameFi, automatically if you use the same email ID in Redkite and same wallet in Redkite, then your KYC will be updated in Redkite platform also. So now this is GameFi. So how to connect your wallet and create account in Redkite, I'll show you. So you need to go to this page, click on connect wallet. Then select the same things again and click on MetaMask. Your wallet will be connected. On the my account section, you can go and do a sign in transaction and you can see your wallet and KYC status here. So now first step is done. We have created the account in GameFi and Redkite. So now second step is you need to identify the community rounds and you have to submit the whitelisting forms. So to do that, you can go to this page and click on the token sale tab on GameFi. Here you can see there are multiple upcoming projects. So here you can see on this project, this is a public sale. So public sale is not meant for us. So public sale means you need to hold certain amount of tokens of the project so that you can participate in the public sale. So today we are talking about only community round. So you can see this community sales on the top. So that means you can participate in such sales. So here also you can see community sale. This is also community sale. So you can select whichever community sale you want to participate, and then the bottom you can see whitelisting closes in 2 days. So that means you need to complete the whitelisting process within 2 days. So to start the process, just click on this particular project. On the top you can see join competition, and here you can see the timer. Before that you need to submit the competition. So just click on join competition. Then you will be heading over to this community sale whitelisting form. So whitelisting form is nothing but you just need to fill some form with your wallet details, your name and other details, along with the after following the Telegram and Twitter handle of the project. So this is a simple form. You just need to fill the details. Here you can see the project timeline and other stuff. Here you can see you need to follow the Twitter handles of the project, Twitter handle of the GameFi. You need to retweet the post and you will get certain additional tasks. More tasks you finish, you will get a more winning chances. So once you complete this task and once you complete this form and submit, that means you have completed the step. Your whitelisting form is submitted. So submitting this form will not guarantee you any allocation. So after the whitelisting process is ended, they will be randomly selecting 500 lucky winners and they will be giving a share of $2,000 worth of project tokens at a IDO price. So which means 100 users will be getting around $20 worth of allocation. So now that is from the GameFi. So same process applicable in Redkite also. You just need to go to the pool. So these are the public pools. You need to find out the community pools and then click on the community pool whichever you want to join in, and then you click on join competition. Again you will get this whitelisting form. So same process, you need to fill your details. You need to give the wallet which you have given during the account creation in Redkite and GameFi and submit the details, and if you are lucky enough you will be selected into the whitelist. So now we have completed the second step of the whitelisting process. Now coming to the third step, you need to check whether your wallet is in the whitelisted winners list or not. So to do that, again you have to head over to the wallet page and then just scroll down here, and you can see a tab here, winners tab, where 500 winning wallet details will be mentioned. Just click on the tab, enter your wallet details here, complete the captcha and click on search, and then you can right side you can see that the results tab shows that this wallet is not a winner, and this wallet is not a winner means I cannot participate in the community round with this wallet. So now I'll show you another wallet which was selected in this particular token sale. So just same process, just click on the winners list, enter the wallet, just click on search. In case if you won the position whitelisting in this particular token sale, you can see this results tab will be shown as a winner. On the bottom also you can see congratulations, you are one of the 500 winners, which means with this wallet I will be able to participate in the token sale during the token sale day. So now we have completed the 3 steps. So now let's move on to the 4th step. So 4th step is most important step. So now you have selected into the whitelist. This step is applicable only if your wallet is selected in the whitelisting process. So now once your wallet is selected in whitelisting process, that doesn't mean you will be getting a guaranteed allocation, because this sale is having a cap of only 100 participants and 500 participants will be selected. So first 100 participants to buy the tokens only will be able to get the allocation. So now head over to the project page, and during the sale day you can see the sale start time and date. So you can see this is a 6:30 p.m. on 7th October this sale will start, which means you need to head over to this page and do the process before that. So now in this process sale time is 6:45, so you should enter this page at 6:40 only, which is 5 minutes prior to the sale, and then you need to click on this approve button here. So once you click on approve, you will get a MetaMask transaction and complete the transaction, and your $30 spend approval will be completed. So this is mandatory step before 6:45, so you need to complete this approval step, otherwise you left behind in the sale and you will not be getting the allocation. And now I've completed the approval step. Here you can see 2 steps are there, step 1 and step 2. So step 1 is completed, I got the tick mark. Now I am in the step 2. So now exactly at 6:45 p.m. you need to be in this page, and you can see this maximum amount you need to click on. So now my allocation is 30 BUSD, and then complete this captcha here. So here you can see I am going to purchase 181 RENA tokens by spending 30 BUSD. And once you complete the captcha, you will get this swap button enabled. Just click on swap, and once you do get a MetaMask transaction, click on sign and complete the MetaMask transaction. So once you do that, if you are the first 100 members to do that step, you will be into the sale. So now you can see I got the success message on the right top, token sale joined. So now step 2 also I got a blue tick mark, which means I have successfully participated into the token sale. So now I can relax. So now we have completed the 4th step. Now I'll just refresh the page and show you the claiming procedure, how you can claim your tokens after the token sale. So now you can see here I have bought 30 BUSD, so I am successfully in the token sale. So now after that you can come to this page and refresh and see, you can see a total tokens bought is 181 tokens. Most important thing is you cannot claim this 181 tokens at a time. So because most of the projects in GameFi and RedKite will have a vesting schedule, so you can see the claiming policy unlocks 30% in TG means token generation event, and remaining 35% every 90 days. So that is a vesting schedule. So now I'll show you how you can claim them. So to claim the tokens immediately after swap, you will not be able to claim them. There will be a specific time frame, maybe after 2 or 3 hours, where you can claim the tokens. So in this scenario, sale was at 6:45 and claiming time was at 8:15 p.m. This is the Indian Standard Time. So after 8:15 p.m. you just need to come to the same page and refresh the page, and then you can see the claim button enabled. So I'm just refreshing the page. Now you can see here I got the claim button enabled. So just click on the claim button and claim your first 30% of the 181 tokens. So just do the sign in transaction and do a MetaMask transaction by spending in gas fees. Total gas fees spent in that entire activity is less than $1 or $2, so not much. So now I completed the transaction. Within few seconds on the right top you can see I got an alert. So I just refresh the page and show you how many tokens I got. So I was successfully able to claim 54.54 tokens out of my 181 RENA allocation. So now I got the tokens. So 6th step is I need to sell them for USDT. So to do that, you can head over to PancakeSwap. So you can see RENA token is trading at $4.28 when I recorded this video, which means $4.28 into my allocation token was 181 tokens, which means I made $774 by spending only $30 that is a very huge opportunity. So now let's calculate how much I was able to make out or sell with the 30% of the unlocked tokens. So I'm just going to PancakeSwap. You can see I got my 54.54 tokens here. I'm swapping it for USDC. So for 54 tokens, I'm going to get 231 USDC tokens, which means for $30 investment, I already got my $230 profit only with the 30% of the tokens unlocked. So I still got my 70% tokens. With that 70%, if I make around $250 also, my total profit on this $30 investment will be $500. So that is a huge profit opportunity. So I didn't hold any tokens of the Polka Foundry or GameFi, but I was able to get a small allocation and I was able to sell them for $230, and I still got 70% of the tokens for future sales. So that's all guys. That is all about today's video about GameFi and RedKite community round complete guide with live demo. So if I turned $30 into $500 with the help of GameFi and RedKite, you can also do that. So if you want to get a latest updates on all these projects, you can follow my Telegram channel. I'll keep posting the community rounds of RedKite and GameFi, and you can fill the forms and submit the details. If you're lucky enough like me, you will also be able to flip $20 or $30 into $200 or $300. So that's all guys. That is all about today's video. In case if you want a complete detailed video on how to join the public sale rounds by holding GameFi and RedKite tokens, leave your requirement in the comment section below. So if I get multiple requests, I'll make a dedicated video on how to join this public sale with a live demo. So that's all guys. That is all about today's video about GameFi and RedKite. So if you like this video, click the like button. If you're new to this channel, subscribe to this channel. If you have any doubts or clarification, leave them in the comment section below. So that's all guys. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.